Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signing in now, so open Teto English and create an account with your email and password. Confirm the link they send. Once done, take the placement test, 10 to 15 minutes, to set your level. This saves wasted time in wrong lessons. Make sure your microphone and camera are enabled in browser settings and use a headset for clearer audio. Also choose your learning goals in settings so the app tailors lesson difficulty and vocabulary from the start. Once your level is set, jump into structured lessons and follow the suggested sequence. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes daily to build consistency. Use the speaking exercises, record short answers, replay them, and compare with the model to correct pronunciation and rhythm. Make sure to do the interactive drills and note grammar tips highlighted in each module. They explain why forms change. Check your progress dashboard often. Streaks and weekly scores guide which weak areas need more practice. To finish a lesson properly, complete the review and run through the flashcards so new words stick. This reinforces memory. Once comfortable, schedule a live tutor or a conversation partner to practice real-time speaking and receive corrective feedback, which speeds fluency. If something breaks, try basic troubleshooting. Refresh the page, test your mic in settings, switch to a different browser, or reconnect your headset. If those steps fail, contact support with a short description.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.